Hello guys, this is Sabi Viji and this is my new monitor, the LG one. So I got this from Amazon for about 9,200 rupees. So now I'm gonna unbox this one. So let me tear this up one. You can read the back. There you guys go, the new LG monitor. So this is a IPS screen monitor and the model number is 22MP68VQ and this is a 22-inch monitor. And let's see around what we got. Over here it's written the same thing, 68 one, or here on the side. So you see here we have the AMD freezing one. It's a color calibrated and everything. So let's open this one. This is a HDMI one. Yeah, let's open this one and let's see how's it. So there you guys go. Wow. Here is the 22-inch screen. Wow. Let me just see this one. Wow. Now that's what I call a screen. Look at this one. So nice and cool. It's absolutely zero bezelless. It's not completely zero. There's a bit of bezel over there, you can see. That's it. There you go, the 22-inch one monitor. Let's see on the back. Yes, there's a DC input. There's a D sub in. This is the VGA cable, the DVI cable, HDMI port. This is for audio, I think. And here's the stand for it, and only button, which is kind of like a joystick one. And you even get a wall mount over here, if you can see. No. That's it. So let me just get straight into the what's rest in the box. So beneath that, okay, beneath that we got the stand with some aluminum base which keeps it rigid, and this one the stand that's go over here, fix it. So there you have that, and over here we get all our cables and all. Let's see what it comes with. So let me get this light straight out. So inside that we get our, yes, the HDMI cable, the adapter, and just a cable management for your monitor, and instruction warranty manual with an driver. There you go guys, that's for the unboxing of this video.